In the middle of Luna's town, there is a magical clock. Every hour, the clock tells a new story. But today, something is wrong. The clock is stuck. The hands do not move. Luna looks up. What happened? A soft voice says, I need help. It is the clock. I can tell stories, but I need words. Answer my questions, and I will move again. Luna smiles. Okay, I love stories. The clock asks. What color is the sky? Luna thinks. The sky is blue. Tick, the small hand moves. The clock asks, what do you eat for breakfast? Luna says, I eat bread and milk. Tick, the big hand moves. The clock asks, what do you like to do? Luna says, I like to read. Tick, the clock rings. Ding dong. Now the clock tells a new story. Once upon a time, a little girl found a magical door. Luna listens, happy and excited. She looks at the clock. I will answer more questions every hour. Then, I will hear more stories. The clock laughs. Yes, learning words makes stories better. Luna nods. I will learn new words every day. The end.